Okay, we have WAEC 324 question number 2 here. Since the WAEC is close, is upon us already for 2025, and 3 weeks away from the day the right maths. So I want us to do some revisions for our viewers. Now, a car travels at a distance of 2x plus 30 kilometers at 67.5 kilometers per hour. 160 kilometers per hour, you know its speed. And a distance of 5x negative 20 kilometers at 72 kilometers per hour. If the total time for the entire journey was 90 minutes, find the value of x. Whenever you hear kilometer per hour, it is speed. Whenever you hear hour or minutes alone, it's time. Whenever you hear kilometer or meter, is what? Distance. So let's start with this notion. Distance equals to speed times time. But we have one information we can work on. We're given the time as 90 minutes. So we want to do this. Solve for our time. Our time equals to what? Distance over speed. That's our time. So I'd like to write it here. Now, the time is 90 minutes. That means 90 minutes is equals to our time. 90 minutes equals to our time. And we know our time is equals to what? Distance over speed. And if you check, the 90 minutes we're talking of conveys two time. You understand? The first journey and second journey. So time is distance over speed. We are going to have two journeys. The first journey and the second journey. So 90 minutes will be equal to the first time and the second time. C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. That's the first journey and the second journey. Hence, 90 minutes will be equal to distance over speed. C is distance over speed plus distance over speed. First journey and second journey. Now we can convert 90 minutes to an hour was 30 minutes. And this can be seen as 30 over 60, which is 1 over 2. Which is 3 over 2. So I write this 3 over 2 equals to what is the distance for the first journey?
2x plus 13.
2x plus 13. 2x plus 13.
Over 67.5.
Okay, 2x plus 3. What is the speed for the first trip? What is the speed? 67.5 plus the distance for the second speed.
5x minus 20.
5x negative 20. Then the speed is what?
72.
72. So distance of the second is what? 5x over minus 20. The speed is what? 72. Now we want to just do the mathematics behind it. So we want the LCM of this will be the product of the denominator equals to what? Remember, 3 over 2. Now this in the whole of this is like saying 67.5 times 72 all over 67.5. This cancels out to give us 72. So 72 times our numerator. I'm going to have 72 into brackets 2x plus 13. The same way we do this for this. This is down to 72. 72 cancel out. We have about 67.5 times our numerator. So I like to write it as 67.5 times 5x negative 20. That's what we have there. Alright, so we want to open the bracket. So we have 3 over 2 equals 72 times 2x. 144x. 72 times plus 72 times 13. 956. We have that. And 67.5 times 5x times 5.
387.5.
Positive 337.5x. Then 67.5 times 20. We have negative here already.
1,300.
350. All over what? 67.5 times 72. Alright, let's collect like tens here. 144 plus 337.5. Let's collect like tens. Yes, what do we have here?
93619.
Okay, it's supposed to be 936. Alright, thank you for that. So 144 plus 337.5. What do we have there? Let's add this. Punch your calculator, let's get that fast. Huh? 481.5 are x. Then we collect like this. 936 negative 1350. What do we have there? What do we have there? 936 negative 414. This is what we have about numerator. All over 67.5 times 72 equals what? 3 over 2. So at this point, we can cross multiply. So I like to write it here. We have 3 into brackets 67.5 times 72 will equal what? 2 into brackets 481.5x negative 414. Alright, let's go. 3, let's multiply the whole of this. 3 times 6, 7.5. What do we have? Times 72. What do we have? What do we have for the 3? 3 times 67.5 times 72. What do we have for the 3?
14,580.
14,580 equals 2 times 481.5. 963x. 2 times negative 414. What do we have? We have 828. So we're taking this number over this way. We have 14580 positive 828 equals what? 963x. So let's solve this. What do we have? 15408 equals 963x. Divide through by 963. Divide through by 963. So x is going to give us what? 16. So x is 16. We only ask us to find the value for x. So in this case, x is 16. What we do in this case is the first thing you want to set your time. 90 minutes equals to the time. Our time is equal to the distance of our speed. Noting that this 90 minutes is for the 2 trip. The first journey and the second. And the time for the first journey is distance of our speed. Time for the second journey is distance of our speed. And you're giving these two information independently. So we enter them, equating it to our time. Then from there we do general mathematics and we solve for x. So that's